Did you know astronauts can grow taller in space? Or that the first living creatures to travel to space were not humans, but tiny fruit flies? These are just some of the amazing ways humans are connected to space. Stay with us, and I'll share 10 surprising facts that will blow your mind. Space is mysterious, beautiful, and full of surprises. But did you know that humans and space are more connected than you think? From strange changes to our bodies to amazing achievements. Today we're talking about the incredible ways humans interact with space. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll reveal the secret message humans sent to aliens. You won't believe what it says. Fact 1, microgravity affects the human body. When astronauts go to space, they experience microgravity. This means there's almost no gravity pulling them down. Without gravity, their muscles and bones start to weaken. Astronauts must exercise every day in space to stay strong when they come back to Earth. Without this exercise, they could become very weak and face serious health problems. Fact 2, the longest time a human spent in space. Imagine spending more than a year floating in space. Russian cosmonaut Valeri Polyakov holds the record for the longest single stay in space, 437 days. That's over 14 months without stepping
on Earth.
Fact 3, humans walked on the moon. Only 12 people in history have ever walked on the moon. They were all part of NASA's Apollo program in the 1960s and 1970s. Walking on the moon was one of humanity's greatest achievements. Just think about how far we've come from looking at the moon in the sky to actually stepping on it. Fact 4, astronauts grow taller in space. Here's a fun fact. Astronauts actually grow taller in space. Without gravity pulling on their spine, their bodies stretch out, and they can grow up to 2 inches taller. But when they return to Earth, their height goes back to normal. Fact 5, space junk is a big problem. Did you know that there's a lot of trash floating around? In space, old satellites, rocket parts, and other debris are stuck orbiting Earth. This is called space junk. It's dangerous because it can crash into working satellites or even hit the International Space Station. Scientists are now trying to figure out how to clean it up. Fact 6, space travel can affect vision. Some astronauts experience a problem called space blindness. In space, fluids in the body move upward. Because there's no gravity, this puts pressure on their eyes, and their vision becomes blurry. Many astronauts say their eyesight is different, even after they come back to Earth. Fun fact 7, the golden record sent to aliens. In 1977, NASA sent 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, into space. These spacecraft carried something special, the golden records. These records contain music, greetings in many languages, and sounds from Earth, like birds singing and waves crashing. It's like a time capsule for aliens to find. Fact 8, the first animals in space. Before humans went to space, scientists sent animals to see if it was safe. The first living creatures in space were fruit flies. They were sent on a rocket in 1947 to study how space affects living beings. Later, dogs and monkeys also went to space. Before humans took their first trip, plants can grow in space. Did you know that astronauts have grown plants in space? On the International Space Station, they've grown lettuce, wheat, and even flowers. This is important because if humans want to live on other planets, we'll need to grow our own food. Fact 10, the first photo of Earth from space. The first picture of Earth from space was taken in 1946 by a camera on a rocket. Before this, people had never seen what Earth looked like from above. This photo changed the way we see our planet and made us realize how beautiful and fragile it is. Humans have achieved incredible things in space, from walking on the moon to sending messages for aliens, and we're just getting started. The future of space exploration is limitless. What's next? Will we live on Mars? Will we find life on other planets? The possibilities are endless. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you could send one message or item into space for aliens? What would it be? Write your ideas in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing facts and stories about space. In our next video, we'll talk about the biggest challenges astronauts face on long missions to Mars. Don't miss it.